How do mirror neurons help with speech imitation? Imagine watching someone smile or wave and then doing the same thing yourself. Your brain is working behind the scenes to make that happen. That's where mirror neurons come in. These special brain cells activate both when you perform an action and when you see or hear someone else do it. In terms of speech, they help children learn to imitate sounds and words by linking what they observe and hear to the movements they need to make. Mirror neurons were first found in monkeys' brains, in an area called the premotor cortex. When monkeys saw or did an action, these neurons fired. In humans, similar neurons are located near a part of the brain called Broca's area, which is important for speech. This connection suggests that mirror neurons help us connect what we see and hear with how we move our mouths and vocal cords. For infants and young children, this system is key. When babies watch their parents talk or listen to sounds, mirror neurons help them connect those sounds to the movements of their mouths. This process is called auditory-motor mapping. It allows babies to imitate sounds they hear and see, which is a big step in learning to speak. Mirror neurons respond to both visual cues, like watching someone's mouth move, and auditory cues, like hearing speech sounds. This dual response helps children understand that the sounds they hear are linked to specific mouth movements. When they try to imitate those sounds, their brain is using the mirror neuron system to guide their vocal and mouth movements. This is why talking, singing, and gesturing with babies is so important. These activities stimulate the mirror neuron system, encouraging children to imitate sounds and gestures. For children with speech delays, therapies that focus on imitation and modeling can activate these neurons, helping strengthen the pathways needed for speech. It's important to remember that mirror neurons mainly support the early stages of speech learning, like copying sounds and gestures. They don't directly handle grammar or sentence structure, which involve other parts of the brain. Still, their role in helping children imitate speech sounds is a foundation for developing fluent language. In short, mirror neurons help with speech imitation by creating a direct link between what children see and hear and what they do with their mouths and voices. This system makes it easier for infants and young kids to learn sounds and words, and it can be a helpful focus in addressing speech delays. When children are encouraged to imitate speech through interaction, it can activate these neurons and support their journey toward clear, confident speech.